Hello and welcome to the Muhimbi PDF Converter for SharePoint Online conversion workflow video. This video will go through the basic use of a workflow to convert documents. So we'll start with the assumption that both the converter and the workflow sandbox solution have been installed. So we go to Library, Workflow Settings, create a workflow in SharePoint Designer. We then give it a name. We'll call it Conversion. And then we'll choose for our action from the PDF options, Convert Document. So we have a number of options here as well. So for this, we will choose Current Item. This means the document that launched the workflow, whether manually or automatically. This file, if we leave it blank, it will convert a PDF to the same location with the same name. But what we want to do, we want to send it to a different library. So we're going to select Documents Outgoing, and we want it to be a PDF, and we want to include the metadata. So what this will do, it will convert whichever item launched the workflow, send it to Documents Outgoing as a PDF, and include the metadata. So that's all we want to do. So what we now do is we just end the workflow. And one thing we'll do as well is change the workflow settings so it will run manually, so we can select a document and run a workflow against it, but then also it'll start automatically when an item is created. So we now publish the workflow. We go back into our library, we select a document, go to Files, Workflows, and Conversion. We can then go to our outgoing folder, refresh, and here we are, our newly created PDF with metadata included. So now let's go back to the library that has the workflow running. And what we'll do is we'll upload a file, in this case an Excel spreadsheet. And so this should automatically trigger the workflow. So we don't have to run it, we just go back to our outgoing folder. We then refresh the page. And here we are. We've got the automatically generated PDF from the Excel spreadsheet. So I hope this gives you a good idea of the options available using workflows, and thank you very much for watching.